Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Starting with the Australian dollar, after numerous attempts at the supply zone, also seen as a vital resistance area, 71.55.65, market bears have managed to recapture the helm and take prices sub 71 cents and now crushes the support of 70.75 after printing a low there overnight. From the technical assessment, while the resistance is intact at 71.55.65, should continue to contain the bulls and expect a further test down to the lows of this year, with the bullish foundations holding at this present stage of 70.20.30. Now intraday I do see support at 70.60, which is currently being contested, but nevertheless with the dollar index rallying hard last night, should see further risk to the downside. Now I'm not calling 70.20 as a low. We could be looking even lower towards the region of 69.40.70 and reassess from there. Resistance on the day, 72.15. Well, the euro rejects the level of 115.35. Now, what caught the market off guard is that the US dollar index surges back to the level of the crucial resistance of 95.65.75. A decisive break of that level would give further scope to the upside, bringing a target of 96.85, which is the August highs. With the unexpected advance, the recent bullish outside range day for the euro has been negated and therefore should see further weakness into the coming session, with 114.35 still vulnerable. Now, break beneath there would give further scope and back to the lows of August, also with the like the dollar index around 112.95 to the figure, which I do look as a favourable move. Well, dollar yen, well, of course, with the US rallying, crushes the resistance of 112.75. I do expect to see further scope to the upside and take out further resistance of 112.95 and look towards 113.65 and reassess from there, from that region. Support on the day seen at 112.45. Looking at the British pound, well, it seems to be a bit of an upset now with the Brexit, with the probability of Theresa May getting ousted from her position as Prime Minister after she announced on Friday that the UK is ready to drop the Irish border demand in order to reach a Brexit deal. I don't think the market is very happy with this, and therefore the pound has plummeted further and now looks towards the key level of 129.30.55, which is the target I've been looking at for some time. A break beneath there would give further scope also to the August lows that comes in around 126.5. So this is a key level. So a break of 129.30, I am bearish. Resistance on the day is seen at 130.15 and 130.70. The gold consolidates further with the lackluster direction. The market is pretty much impressive to the fact that the US dollar being on its strength is the gold is holding up also. Of course, there is some concerns with the safe haven demand, that the fact is that could see gold rally further. Now, break above 34.36 would give us the clue to a rally to 50 as a target, 1,250. Support on the day seen at 1,218. And to finish up with oil, the market took a daring stab to the downside and posted a 5-week low of 68.40 before rebounding. It is assessed now the market's just a stone's throw away of 66.70.90 target. With the pattern that's coming into shape here, I am looking at this Dragonfly Doji, so I'm a little bit careful of any call, but the technical pattern is still breaking down, so I still feel there is a little bit more left to the downside. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me, and as always, look out for the intraday report, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day that's ahead.